Welcome back to Junaid Developer YouTube channel. I am your instructor, Junaid Wakas. This is the first video of the series, where we will cover the introduction and complete course overview of Laravel 13. Laravel is a seamless and easily scalable framework, and in this video, we are starting our Laravel 13 tutorial series. Laravel 13 requires PHP version 8.3 to 8.5. It released on March 17, 2026. Bug fixes will continue until the third quarter of 2027, and security updates will be available until March 17, 2028. Laravel 13 comes with new features like PHP attributes and models and AI SDK integration. In this course, we will learn all these features step by step in a simple and practical way. This course is designed for both beginners and advanced learners. In this first lecture, we will understand what Laravel is and get a basic overview. After that, we will set up the local development environment and install our first Laravel project step by step. The course sequence may change slightly as we move forward to make learning easier for you. Thanks for watching this video and this brief introduction to the Laravel 13 course. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.